Good morning and welcome to DeKalb, Illinois, to the Ferrara pack facility.
Today we are the #1 selling confectioner in the United States. There are a lot of different companies out there selling OEE tools or productivity tools, but there are not as many that have them integrated where you have compliance, you can do your quality checks, you can do learning in there, you can interface with your CMMS system.
We actually now have Redzone launched across our full network. Once we have gotten our people to this point where they know they can impact our business, the unlock is off the charts.
Although there's a lot of benefits for it, I would say the top 3 when launching the compliance module, it was elimination of paperwork, the communication from anywhere, and then the photos. So I can see exactly what they're trying to tell me.
Since the implementation of Redzone, one recordable injury.
You got to get into the facility that you're going to have those leaders really rally.
Leverage the tools, be a leader, and show that we're using it, and you're going to get the benefits from it.
We did all of the modules consecutively, which is a benefit because you just go from one to the next and you're able to get everybody on board right away.
Every meeting we have goes into Redzone, and that way the information's there, all the actions are there. You have your 90-day or 1-year plan built in Redzone in a sense through your activities, and so you don't lose anything.
There's different stages in which we were able to take what we had, bolt on, and actually integrate Redzone into that. There are some of those legacy systems that we might be able to turn off to help the benefit of this. If you don't have an environment that folks will actually want to come to and to be a part of something, it could be tough.
It creates an environment that people feel like they can thrive in. And in return, we all get a nice investment back, right? We get a return on our investment. You see it immediately in OEE.
I think we did, maybe it was like 16 or 18% OEE lift